Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and sometimes those twists lead to accidents, leaving people hurt and wondering why. But when does an accident cross the line into negligence, transforming into a legal matter? Let's delve into the world of negligence and personal injury cases. Duty of care, the foundation of responsibility. Imagine a world without traffic rules or safety regulations. It would be a chaotic mess, right? That's why we have laws and regulations to ensure everyone acts responsibly for the safety of others. This legal obligation is known as duty of care. Drivers, for instance, have a duty of care to operate their vehicles safely, adhering to traffic rules and being attentive to their surroundings. Store owners, too, have a duty of care to maintain their premises free from hazards like slippery floors or unmarked spills. Breach of duty. When responsibility fails. Now let's say a driver texts while driving, veering into the lane of another person and causing an accident. Or a store owner leaves a spill unmarked, leading to a customer slipping and injuring themselves. In these scenarios, the duty of care has been breached. Someone failed to act responsibly, putting others at risk. Causation. Linking the breach to the injury. But simply breaching a duty of care isn't enough to establish negligence. We need to show that the breach directly caused the injury. This is where causation comes in. Causation has two parts, actual cause and proximate cause. Actual cause means the injury wouldn't have happened without the breach. For instance, if the driver hadn't been texting, the accident wouldn't have occurred. Proximate cause means the injury was a foreseeable consequence of the breach. In the case of a slippery spill, the store owner should have foreseen that someone could slip and injure themselves. Damages, the impact of negligence. Negligence doesn't just happen, it causes harm. That's where damages come into play. The injured party must have suffered actual losses, whether it's physical injuries, emotional distress, or financial setbacks like medical expenses and lost wages. Proving negligence. It's a legal puzzle. In personal injury cases, proving negligence is like solving a complex puzzle. Each piece, duty of care, breach of duty, causation, and damages, must fit perfectly together to establish negligence. The plaintiff or the injured party has the burden of proving each of these elements. Legal nuances and shared fault. Remember, negligence varies from place to place, and sometimes fault can be shared among multiple parties. Consulting with a legal professional is crucial to navigating the complexities of specific cases. Seek professional guidance, stay safe, stay informed. Navigating the legal process or the legal world of negligence can be daunting. If you've been injured due to someone else's negligence, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified legal professional. They can help you understand your rights, assess your case, and guide you through the legal process. Again, stay informed, stay safe, and remember, you're not alone.